Oh, comb.
Do you want a comb?
Also list. Here we go. Interior facial vein. Posterior facial vein. External jugular. Transverse jugular vein. Transverse scapular vein. The brachial vein. Subscapular vein. The axillary vein. Subclavian vein. Brachiocephalic. Superior vena cava. Common trunk of vertebral and costocervical veins. Common trunk of internal thoracic veins.
Oh, I had that backwards. That's the internal thoracic, and that's the vertebral and costocervical.
A zygos vein.
It's going to be the hook one down there.
What was your focus on? I think that's just part of what you like.
The inferior vena cava.
That's going to be under the heart. You can't really see it, though. Is that everything?